Hello guys, welcome back to Riders Cave channel. Finally, 2024 KTM 390 Duke has been launched in Australia 2 weeks ago. Only today I get to test ride this bike. So today I'm just gonna give you my first impression on this bike and who can ride this bike. A single cylinder 400cc bike. So KTM claims 90% of this vehicle has been redone, including the engine, which is now 399cc, which produces 44 bhp of power at 8,500 rpm and maximum torque of 39 newton meter at 7,500 rpm. Now it does come with power assist with slipper clutch, and it has supermoto ABS at the front. It has loads of feature with the TFT display. Looks very promising for me. When I sit on the bike, it looks a bit small than the previous models, so that's because the previous models are more than 820 mm, and now the seat height has been reduced to 800 mm. So just on the lower RPM the clutch feels a bit snatchy, but other than that, yes, it does ride well, just because it's new now. So as per the exhaust note, I can't really hear it, how it is. I can't even see the exhaust because it's now underbelly exhaust. I will stop over somewhere for you guys to have a good look of the bike. I mean, probably you guys can note the exhaust sound now. It's idle. So it has 3 different modes: rain, street and track mode. It has aggressive looks, that's for sure. Let's come over again. At the front you got LED lights, 320 mm disc brakes, ABS equipped, so 43 mm WP Apex adjustable shocks, at the rear 240 mm disc with the two piston floating caliper. You got underbelly exhaust. So instrument cluster, if you see, that's the mode. See, it has lap timer, see, rider modes. Once you go inside the rider modes, you have track mode, rain mode, street mode, so the rider can choose. So currently in street, so street mode, and select that. That's it. Now it's in street mode. Again, you can come out. So it does have aggressive looks at the front, the LED lights, but for some reason I feel it's really a small bike. Got adjustable clutch, adjustable brake levers, hazard lights, let me know if you guys can hear the exhaust. It has underbelly exhaust. It has Michelin tires, Power 6. It's really a good tires for sure. So who can ride this bike? Well, absolutely anybody can ride this bike, but it will be ideal for beginners because it got loads of features in it. They can actually lock the speed until they learn the learners. And if you never have owned a KTM because of its height restrictions, I would say this bike would be ideal as well. I'm only 5'7", my both feet are touching on the ground. And anybody who own higher models of KTM 790 and over models, and they've been paying a lot of insurance and maintenance cost, and they would like to switch over to this smaller segment bike like this one, 400cc, for a daily commute, yep, why not? Can consider. It definitely have clear visibility. Now every bike has their positives and negatives. Just keep in mind, it doesn't mean that this bike is negative, but there are certain things I observed. For example, this dash here is too big at the front. I think there's very limited place to mount any phone or anything on the side. As you guys can see, it's very limited. Other than that, it only comes in two colors at this moment: electric orange and Atlantic blue. This one here is electric orange. Well, positive sides are they're giving you traction control, ABS and TFT display, everything standard. It feels really premium. but there could be downsides of it as well, so just bear in mind that not all bikes are perfect. So this is why I've been telling in my videos that you must take a test ride first to assess the situation. Rides well, it feels smooth. Clutch, gears, I don't have any issues. Only one thing I want to mention, that the side stand is directly underneath the gears, so you actually need to look at your feet before putting. Just don't, it's easy to miss, so you got to be careful if you're a new rider. But other than that, I don't see any issues. Almost everything is adjustable on this bike, so that's the beauty of it. So I will leave all the information in the description below for you guys to see, and you can decide whether you can buy this bike or not. But overall it is a good bike. There's no issues with the bike. In terms of warranty, it also comes with 2-year warranty, and you cannot purchase additional warranty on it, as the bike is fairly new. I will have a chat with the dealer now to have any more additional information that is being given on this bike. This is fairly new, very new bike. It only came few weeks ago, and today is the first day for the test ride. And the other downside I see about KTM, I know they have a flagship color of orange. I don't understand why they can't make a mixed color like white and orange or white and blue. You know, it only comes in 2 colors. That's just a pity. It would have been nice if it comes in more colors. Other than that, the bike is really good. I will suggest you guys to take a test ride yourself. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe guys, and hit the like button and comment if you have any questions. Thank you guys. See you in the next video soon.